Hello, welcome back to How To Cooking. Michael Webb, and this is Princess Dynamite. And tonight I'm going to be cooking from the meal kit I use, HelloFresh. I'll be making a Turkey Feta Patties with Bulgur Greek salad and creamy lemon dill sauce. So, you know, if you're really attracted to Greek cheese, they call that a feta-ish. A little known fact here from history. Franklin Delano Roosevelt, he dropped a pickle on the floor one time and he screamed at Eleanor, "I need a new deal!" Bulgur is a Turkish whole grain. It's really a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins and minerals like calcium and iron. It's been around for a very long time, about 4,000 years. But that was, and I used to teach world geography, that was like 8,000 years into the wheat revolution. So it didn't come right at the beginning. But once it came about, it was very, very popular. This is what the gladiators used to eat for breakfast because of the amount of energy and nutrition that is contained within it. When you cook it right, it's very nice, light, and fluffy. You know why wheat farmers aren't very good company? Because they use so much Bulgur language. Look, when you go to make your turkey patties, if you rub a little oil on your hands first, the turkey won't stick to your hands. It's easier to make the patties and form them. So put a little... You know, Bulgur was such a monumental step forward in man and civilization's development because of its nutrition and stuff that many ancient astronaut theorists believe that it came from the stars.